a little more involved since it's using grouping, right? Remember that grouping allows us to go the other way around, right? We've gone from something that is more hierarchical, like courses containing students, containing first and last and whatnot, and generate something that's more flat, right? Something that's less, that's more denormalized, right? So this one, we're going to go the other way around. We're going to take in something that is fairly denormalized, maybe like a like a dependency with group the group ID, the artifact, something that you might find in a POM file, or this one, right, where we have movies and only the titles, okay, and here we're iterating and and we're looking at perhaps what we'd like to be able to do is generate a grouping and says, okay, well, I want to grab all the PG movies and put them and generate some output, or grab all the PG-13 movies, right, and put them somewhere else, right, and perhaps have create two different sections of showing me all the PG movies and all the PG-13 movies, right? So we can iterate over the matchings of all the movies, right? But group by the rating, right? And we're going to grab the movie elements for each one of those movies. We're going to apply a template. This template of H2 that's going to give us the rating of the movie, and so this is going to be generated one for PG and one for PG-13, no R. And then down below, we're going to iterate over all the groups of the PG movies, and then list all the movies for the RPG, and then going to iterate over all the PG-13 movies and list all the movies that are PG-13. Okay, so this would be the output, right? That would generate all the PG movies, all the PG-13 movies, and then those lists. Okay. One more by release. So here's the movie. Before we grouped by an attribute, yes, by the rating. We can also group by an element value, right? We can group by 2005. So for instance, you might want to list all the 2005 movies and the 2015 movies in separate sections, right? Just like we did for ratings, right? So so here again /movies, and for each /movies, we're going to generate an H1 group by release, and down below we're going to group by the released, right, element, not the attribute. Notice it doesn't have the at in front of it, doesn't have the at over here. So we're grouping by the element called released, and for those that match, we're going to generate an H2 with the released, whether it's and we're going to grab the value of the release, whether it's 2005, 2015, whatnot, and then iterate over all the movies that are in that particular group, right? And this is the output that it generates, that listing of 2005 and 2015. Okay.